Yes, we are going to start exercise 1B. Okay, let's read the question. Question is, population of a city with 3,54,976 in the year 2014. In the year 2015, it was found to be increased by 68,438. What was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015? Okay, so understand the question, read it carefully once, twice, thrice, and then take decision whether you have to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Now, if you'll go through the question, what was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015? See, in previous video or we had discussed that some few keywords help us, but sometimes you have to apply logic also. So in this question there is no such keyword. Only question asked is what was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015, right? So in 2014 the population is given 3,54,976 and population in 2015 is 68,438. So population in the end of 2015 means if you apply logic, you can understand that we have to add here. We have to do addition. So we have to add population of 2014 with 2000 increased population. So this plus this will give me the total population at the end of year 2015. So these are the statements. Population, due to lack of space, I have written in very short form. Okay. So population in the year 2014, population in the 2015, and population in the end of 2015 will be total of 14 and 15. Alright, so we have to add it. So but while adding, so first part is over, that is what we have to do. So here we have to add. Now what the second part is, how to add. So first write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, and then arrange this number here, 3,54,976 plus 68,438 according to the place value. Okay, you are not supposed to write the 68 here. You cannot start from here. Alright, so arrange according to the place value only, and then add the way you are adding. You know how to add up to now. Okay, and then final statement will be here. Again I am telling you, due to lack of space I could not write it. So hence the population in the end of year 2015 is 4,23,414. Let me repeat once again, children. Hence, the population at the end of year 2015 is 4,23,414. All right. Now let's see question number 2. You can go through question from the textbook. But what is given in the question? First we have to write it in the form of statements. It's very important part of solving word problem. Always remember, writing statement carries marks. Alright. So number of pages per notebook is given 56. Means in one notebook there are 56 pages. I have written it, number of pages per notebook. Per notebook means in one notebook there are 56 pages. So number of pages in 5,326 notebooks will be what? As I have discussed in previous video, that number of if for one it is given and for many, see here, per notebook means 1. Per notebook means 1. So for 5,326 means many. So for 1 if it is given and for many you have to find out, you have to perform multiplication. Remember this thing. This we have already discussed. So I have multiplied 55,326 multiplied by 56 and my result is 2,98,256. Okay, multiplication you have already learnt in previous classes. What is important here to understand which operation to perform. Alright, so for 1 it is given, so for many you have to find out. So here we have to perform multiplication, and final you will write hence the number of pages in 5,326 notebooks will be or are 2,98,256. Okay, this is very important, writing the final statement. This is the first part which carries marks. This is the second part and this is the third part. Okay, hence the number of pages in 5,326 notebooks are 2,98,256. Alright, I hope you are understanding and solving these sums in your notebooks. Thank you.